Are you new to fitness or looking to get started but don't have any equipment? Well, I've got you covered with an awesome bodyweight workout you can do right at home. No gym required. Today, we're going to go through a beginner-friendly home bodyweight workout that will help you build strength, tone up, and improve your fitness. Whether you're a complete beginner or just getting back into fitness, these moves will get you feeling stronger and more confident. Bodyweight workouts are perfect for beginners because they focus on functional movements that target multiple muscle groups at once. They require no equipment, so you can do them anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home, at the park, or even in your hotel room while traveling. Plus, they're low impact, which makes them great for building strength and improving mobility without stressing your joints. We're going to do 5 simple exercises that you can repeat for 3 sets each. We'll take it slow to make sure you're doing everything with proper form. This workout should take about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your pace. Let's break it down. We'll start with squats, then move to push-ups, lunges, glute bridges, and finish with a plank. Each exercise will be done for 30 seconds with a 30-second rest in between. Before we dive into the workout, it's always a good idea to warm up your muscles. Try doing some light jogging in place, arm circles, and leg swings for about 3 to 5 minutes to get your body ready. Let's start with squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and your core engaged. Now, slowly lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as you can while keeping your knees behind your toes. Tips: focus on keeping your back straight and pressing through your heels when you come back up. Time: we're going for 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Next, we're moving to push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body down to the floor, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push yourself back up. Modification: if regular push-ups are too challenging, you can do them on your knees. Time: 30 seconds. Let's crush it. For lunges, take a big step forward with one leg and lower your back, knee toward the ground. Keep your front knee behind your toes and make sure your back is straight. Tip: if you want to challenge yourself, you can add a jump to make it a jump lunge. Time: 30 seconds on each side. Let's go. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Modification: if this is too hard, try a single-leg glute bridge to focus on one side at a time. Time: 30 seconds of these. Keep pushing. Now let's finish strong with a plank. Get into a push-up position, but bend your arms and rest on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and engage your core. Modification: if a full plank is too tough, drop your knees for a modified plank. Time: hold for 30 seconds. Feel that core burn. Awesome job, you did it. Now let's cool down with some gentle stretches. Reach for your toes. Hold for 20 seconds, and then try some cat-cow stretches to loosen up your back. A cool down is super important to help your body recover and prevent stiffness. As you get stronger, you can increase the time for each exercise or add more sets to your workout. Consistency is key. Try to do this workout 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to see progress in no time. Encouragement: remember, everyone starts somewhere and it's okay to take things slow. Celebrate every small win, and don't compare yourself to others. You're doing great. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly fitness content. Let me know in the comments how you felt after the workout, or if you have any questions. Thanks for working out with me today. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.